Some stories are hidden behind gates. Others are hidden in forests. But a few are protected by the people who lived with them for centuries. This is one of those stories. Deep in Awe town, Afijio local government area of Oyo State, Nigeria, lies Sogidi Lake. It is a place where history, science, and culture, conservation have coexisted for generations. Our guide was Mr. Adeniro, a lifelong resident of Awe. Like many elders here, he grew up hearing the stories of Sogidi Lake and has spent much of his lifetime helping preserve the history of Sogidi Lake. According to the local tradition, the lake was discovered around the 18th century when hunters who were searching for drinking water stumbled upon a crystal clear pool beneath a fruit tree. They named it Sogidi from the Yoruba words Eso Gidi, meaning real fruits. At first glance, Sogidi Lake is peaceful, really peaceful. But beneath its calm surface lies one of Oyo State's most fascinating natural mysteries. The lake has no visible river flowing into it and no visible river flowing out of it. Yet, throughout the year, its water remains remarkably fresh, without any form of odor. During the rainy season, it overflows, and during the dry season, it never dries up. Then came the moment everyone waits for. We were handed biscuits to feed the lake's famous fish. Within seconds, the water came alive. Hundreds of fish surfaced almost instantly. These fish are unlike any others. They are never caught, they are never eaten, and they are never sold. Local belief holds that these fish are sacred. For generations, the community has protected them through deeply respected cultural taboos. One well-known legend tells of a soldier who ignored the warning decades ago and tried to cook the fish. And according to local accounts, the fish never cooked. And frightened, he returned them to the lake. Whether legend or history, one fact remains: the fish are still here today. And beyond legends, Sogidi Lake offers another important lesson. Long before conservation laws existed, communities protected biodiversity through culture. Sometimes traditional knowledge became conservation, and conservation protected nature. As we left Sogidi Lake, one thing became clear. Conservation is not always built with fences and regulations. Sometimes it begins with stories, respect, and a community's promise to protect what nature has given them. Our journey ended at another natural landmark, the historic Aruwewe tree. Together with Sogidi Lake, it reminds us that every community holds stories worth preserving. Because when we protect nature, we also protect history, identity, and the future.